Have you ever wondered how some people get more accomplished in 24 hours than most? How to change your mindset to go from employee to business owner? How some investors are able to efficiently manage 3, 4, even 5 renovation projects, simultaneously meet deadlines and earn at least 20% profit? Or how to estimate repair costs to avoid costly renovation mistakes? Or strategies that you would have to learn so that you could find a house 30 to 50% below market value? Or where to get cheap money to fund your projects? Are you looking for different results in your life or business right now? My name is Steve, and I'm president of Action Jackson Buys Houses and founder CEO of Steve Jackson and Associates. Most call me Action Jackson. Why? Because I make things happen sooner than later, and more importantly, for my clients. Now, these are common challenges that can happen to anyone, but this doesn't have to happen for you anymore. Once you learn these exclusive principles, practices, and strategies you can use to quickly overcome that is standing in your way. So come on out and join the fun while I share these tactics that the world's best and most successful entrepreneurs use to get out of the rat race and on the fast track of life. You don't have to repeat the same mistakes. You don't have to take 20 seminars to figure out what works for you. You don't have to do the hard work that I did. I will show you a systematic money-making machine that you can rev up and set loose. Come join me, Action Jackson, at the Tampa REIA. Here's what you'll learn: how to systematize your business to earn 7 figures and beyond. 10-step wholesaling blueprint to make an extra $10K in less than 30 days, part-time with no tenant hassles. A proven roadmap that will efficiently, productively, and profitably enable you to renovate 50-plus houses per year, mostly without you. How to reduce the confusion and eliminate many of the challenges most business owners face each and every day. Quick and easy strategies to reduce your overhead costs by 40% and also pay 15% less in income taxes. Now, who should attend? Those that are sick and tired of their job and want to be a full-time entrepreneur. Seasoned investors who seek innovative strategies to scale their existing business to 7 figures and beyond. Anyone who has a strong desire to learn and apply simple ideas to stop wearing all those hats and get your life back. Basically, find your who, not how. It has been a minute, 18 years probably, since I've been on this public stage. I still recall a professional speaker referred to me as the steak and potato, not the sizzle. I will admit I harbored a resentment. Today, because of a life-changing spiritual retreat experience, I have learned to surrender. I lean into it, and that being vulnerable is a strength to embrace. Especially if I authentically want to connect with you and make an impact and help you achieve your success. My higher power created me with the DNA of an engineer, a teacher, a trusted advisor. My philosophy is simple. Don't accept your life, lead your life. My mission is to learn, apply, and teach what works to help the person I used to be. With that said, we offer specialized training and coaching you wish you had back then to grow your business and fulfill your calling. Easier, faster, cheaper, and without so much struggle. Now, if all you did was learn one tip, one secret, or strategy, would it be worth it? If you answered yes, then you owe it to yourself to come out on Thursday, July 11th at the Tampa REIA. Don't miss out. Register below to attend today. I look forward to seeing you at the Tampa REIA.